guys, what's up? It's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about some new goals, habits that we can all start for the new year. And these are goals that we're going to start right now, today. We're not waiting until 2019 to get into them. I think it's way more beneficial to start your new habits, goals now. That way you go into 2019 super strong. So now when the new year starts, you can't be like, oh, I'll just start it next week or the next week because it's still the beginning of the year. I still have time to start it. No. You're gonna start it now, and then you're already gonna be doing it when the new year starts. So I'm gonna be talking about some habits that we can all get into for 2019. I'm not only gonna tell you guys what that habit or goal is, but I'm actually gonna give you guys some tips on how you can go about making that change into your lifestyle. But before we jump right into the video, make sure you do subscribe if you haven't already. We are trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Also give this video a like and turn on your post notifications so you know exactly when I post a new video. And I would love to hear what some of your guys' goals are for 2019, so leave them in the comment section down below. But yeah, let's just get into it. So my first goal for 2019 is to start waking up at 8 o'clock every single morning. So I did used to wake up early, but then I got into a really bad habit of waking up after 9, and I just don't like that. The sun literally sets at 4:30, so when you wake up super late, you're just losing so much valuable time. You can literally get so much done if you just wake up a couple hours earlier. And I know a lot of us are not morning people. It's really hard for us to wake up in the morning. So if you want to make this your goal too, I suggest going to bed at 11 or 12 each night. Midnight's kind of late, but it's kind of the cutoff point because you really need 8 hours of sleep. So if you go to bed midnight and you wake up at 8, then you're pretty good. So having a night routine is super helpful if you want to start waking up earlier, because then you're going to start going to bed earlier. Once you have a little routine down to wind down, then your body will naturally start getting more tired at that time, and then you'll be able to go to bed earlier and then wake up earlier. And my last tip for waking up earlier is to obviously have an alarm, but when that alarm goes off in the morning, make sure you get up right away. Don't hit snooze and go back to bed. You just gotta, get out of bed. You'll wake up a lot quicker, and this will become an easier habit to get into. So goal number 2 of mine is to at least eat 2 of my 3 big meals each day at home. So let's say I go out for breakfast, then I cannot go out to eat for lunch or dinner. I've really gotten into a bad habit of eating out so much, but luckily this past week and a half, I've really turned that around, and I really have been eating at home more, and I just feel so much better and feel like I have a lot more energy. So what I've been doing recently that has really helped me not go out to eat, I go on Pinterest and I look for a ton of healthy recipes like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then I save them all onto a board, and I pick out the ones that I actually think I would make, and then I look at all the ingredients, figure out what I don't have at home, and then I write it down on my grocery list. What I found I was doing before is that I would go do my grocery shopping before I picked out any meals that I wanted to make. So then when I had all my groceries, I didn't know what went together, what I could make as a meal. And now that I plan out what meals I want to make before I actually go to the grocery store, I know exactly why I'm buying these ingredients and what I'm going to use it for. I don't know, this has really helped me, so I thought I would share it with you guys. So I have 2 more awesome habits that I want to mention, and the second to last one is to get more organized. But when you come home after a long day and you just throw everything everywhere, well, my goal for 2019 is to actually put things away right away. So instead of throwing my coat in my bag on the chair or on my couch, I'm actually gonna go put it exactly where it needs to go. And then also, I'm sure a lot of you can relate to this, but when you put your makeup on and then all of your makeup products are just everywhere, and then you just leave because it's just too messy and you don't want to deal with it. So instead of just leaving it there and then coming back later and just being ugh, why is it so messy in here? So instead of leaving a huge mess on the counter, I'm gonna try to put everything away right after I use it. I've actually been trying to execute this goal already, and it's been going pretty well. When I come back into my bathroom, it's not a total mess. It really doesn't take that much time if you just do it, but it would save us from having to have a big cleanup later. So let's just try to be more organized. The next goal of mine is to read more books. Well, just to gain more knowledge overall. I've actually already started doing this. So last week I actually read a book in 2 days because it was just that good. I hate that I stopped reading for a while because I honestly feel so much better when I read. I feel a lot of people want to read but feel they don't have enough time in their busy schedule. So I actually have a great tip to solve that, and it will actually allow you to read 2 books at the same time. When I say 2 books, I think it's really important to have one that's a self-help book, and then the other one is just a fun book to read for you. So the best way to fit this into your schedule is to read 15 minutes of your self-help book in the morning. It will make you super motivated for the day and put your mind on the right track. And then at night, as a great way to wind down, you can just read 15 minutes of your other book. So yeah, that's something I really want to do for 2019, and I think you guys would really value from it as well. Alright, my last goal for the new year is to use my time more wisely. So I have 2 great solutions to this if you want to make this your goal as well. My mom. Hi. My mom just ruined my train of thought, but it's okay. I know we can all get caught up binge watching our favorite show, but a great way to use your time more wisely while also still watching your favorite show is to work out while you watch it. I think this is so effective. It honestly makes the time pass so quickly. Instead of just sitting down for an hour watching your show, you could also be working out for an hour, so it's a win-win situation. And that way you can't tell yourself that you don't have enough time to work out, because you definitely do. So another way we can use our time more wisely is to listen to an audiobook or podcast while we clean. Like I said, I want to be more knowledgeable, so listening to a podcast while I clean will be super helpful. But yeah, I just think these are great ways to use your time more wisely. Alright, well those are some of the new habits that I want to adopt for the new year. Obviously I have a ton of things that I want to accomplish for 2019, but those are just a few of them. Let's all kill it this next year and make it the best year yet. Even though there's only a little over a week until the next year, you definitely still have time to get started on these goals. Trust me, we can do it, guys. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Like I said, we're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. That'd be so awesome. Also, make sure to leave me a comment down below and give this video a like if you did enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!